Hmm? No.
Go down to the hospital. On the path, you're running side by side. So it's two lines. You're running beside a partner and you're staying on the right side. Not crossing over to the left. Killing it. Okay, my partner. All right, stay here. You guys got all your stuff? All right, let's go.
Hold on, Anthony. Hey. My story has been said.
What? For you, not so.
Come on, man. With me. Yo, what do you mean? How? With me.
Nathan, you're not running?
Only 3 and don't jump where there's rocks. But
How deep is it? Like
real good.
that's right. I remember seeing you there.
Led by Coach John Tunstil. And guess the two are Coach John and Coach Phil and this has got proxy. Haha.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 8, 9, 10, 11, 14, 16, 20.
Slow as you can. With my phone. Please come back to me.
Pick me up now.
Take your dog away from them. Okay. But take, please move away. Okay, let us concentrate. Thank you, sir.
We'll walk over there. All right, grab your stuff whenever you need. We'll walk over. Watch your shoes. You're not taller than me. Give me 2 years.
Okay, I need one chair. I need to put anything in here. Like put this.
Oh, thank you.
Boys, you gotta carry this.
Oh, carry what? Ta-da!
Little.
Oh. Ta-da!
All right, we're gonna go to the beach. What type of beach are we going to?
Oh!
Jamaica, Kingston, Ontario.
Is it optional beach?
Mhm.
Watch out, here comes the Whoa!
Yes,
sign her up.
soccer mama.
Ooh, yeah. Goals for me. And who do I see here? Rose and John. Hiya. Come take a dip. Yeah.
Yes, they are
Yeah.
taking the plunge. It's no joke.
You'll be fine.
You float.
You can swim?
Nathan.
Bring your top.
You're a lifeguard here? Yeah. You're the lifeguard?
Okay, let's go.
You're gonna be the day watch guy today?
Is the water cold?
Play in the water. Is it freezing cold in there? What if it's freezing?
Don't make Coach John save you.
Nathan, make sure you don't lose those sleepers. Yep, let's go. Oh, this I would have done. Oh yeah, Anthony, bring your Crocs. I know, right?
Yes. Here, you line up that back there, right? Yep. You line up back here.
Always the move.
Yes.
Exactly. You're gonna assume. Shout. Guarda.
Boarding time. Yo!
I gotta put my toe in.
Uh-oh! Uh-oh! Oh. Okay, let's see. There goes Alan! Oh. Oh my God, okay. Jonathan. Nacho. Woo! Zach. Maxon. Woo! Okay. And in there. I'm not. Oh yeah. Here. Up. There goes Anthony. All them on. Okay, he's waiting for them. Yeah. There you go. Oh! I made him.
Oh my God, it's gotta be cool. Look at his face. It's gotta be cool.
Once you are in it, you're in it. Yeah. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Go. Nacho. Okay, Aiden. Challenge jump. Now it's Coach John's turn. Oh yeah, let's go. Come on, let's go. John. Oh my goodness.
I know.
Get your me.
Get up. I can't get up.
You go towards this side.
There's people in the water.
Okay.
No, I don't want to get hit.
Are they done?
I'm not.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Thank you. Okay, let's go. Aha. I got you now, so that's fine. Where is he? No for an answer. She doesn't take. Hello. Coach John, Coach Phil. Everyone is here. Everyone is here. Huh?
Why are you scared?
John. No, John. No way. Okay, guys. Oh, you're gonna get wet. Look.
He's not going in.
Oh no. Look. Why don't you want to go in?
Can I go in?
Huh? Yeah. Do you swim? Okay.
I don't trust it.
look here, guys. Hello, everyone. Jonathan. Thank you. This way, guys. Marquise, make sure I can see your face. Okay, guys. Action. Redo? Okay. I need you all to jump up there. 1. At the count of 3, you all jump up. 1, 2, 3, jump.
Jump.
It's all right. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, yep. You're done. Thank you all. Nice doing business with you all. Yep. Oh, you want to join them, Alan?
It's real, they built it like an attraction. There was townspeople that
Look at them. So that place must be really rocky then.
Yes, it is.
Yeah. Oh, easy! Thank you, Rose. Oh, there you go. I got you, John. I got you, John. Woohoo! Now I can go in peace. Phil, we're waiting. Yes, darling.
Thank you.
You're welcome, love. There we go. We got you, Coach John. You could have been in the thingy with the boys. John. Leave me alone. Yep. He's here with the boys, so we'll do it with the boys. Is Alan not? I don't mind. I was going to go swimming. That's hard would be Coach John gets mad at me. This would be my memory, Coach John. You can get mad at me. There we go. We are all done. Oops. Oops. I got him again. Even without anybody telling around and saying. Talan, go in.
I think you go in.
Go in. And this one, you could have taken photos with them.
No.
Oh. There you go.
Yeah, that I agree. I do agree with this whole time. That I do agree with. I do agree.
This is what I love doing best. Yeah. Hey, Chris. Woo-hoo-hoo. There they go. That's how you gotta see there. Into the video. John, naughty John. Do it! Anne-Marie jumped in. She's already crossed the road. Gotcha, Anne-Marie. Oh my goodness, these kids. They just ran out, yeah. Also, they ran to get the chance, otherwise another group might. Yeah, that's why. Yeah, so. Parents saying, yeah, Mateus. See? Uh-oh. Oh. Look at John. Oh. Oh. Oh, I love the Gatorade. Oh, lovely. Thank you, love. I appreciate seeing it. Yeah. What are they saying? Out. Look at Anthony. Just look at Anthony. Look at Anthony. Just look at him. Huh? Just look at him. See this boy? Just look at him. Oh my goodness. Look at him. Can you see me? Oh, he knows I'm recording him. Oh, he saw me. Did you see me? Oh my goodness. This one is surely gonna have a shower. Oh. Oops. Jack is doing the same. Jack is doing the same. Oh my God. Look at him too. Look at him too. Oh my God, this boy. One, two, three, four. Come on, guys. Next serve is you. Anthony, you guys are serving. It's 1-1 serve each, they say. Come on, hurry up. You guys need to go back to the hostel. Let's go, Nathan. Oh. 1-1. Okay, serve, serve, serve. Let's go, serve. Go. Out. That's 2-1 now. 2-1. This is the last game. 2-2. Yeah, 2-2. Because we're going for dinner. This is 1:15. You know, guys need to go and shower and... this is 6:20. We have to be seated by 7:30. Otherwise, we'll lose our spot. We won't lose our spot, but... Okay, 2 more serves and let's go, guys. They don't want to go now. They're having fun. Let's go, Mateo. Yes. 4-3. 3-3. Oh. Four. The last one now, guys, and we go. Five for them, Anthony. 4 for them, Jonathan. Yeah, it's theirs. Come on, guys. Last serve. Come on, guys. Oh, 5-5. Okay, guys. Good job. Five, 5, yes. Yeah. Joe, you can either hate me or.
You guys scan let the door close. Scan, just scan.
Scotty. I owe you. Scotty.
Oh, photo in the elevator. Phil, you're not in this, man. Come on.
Phil,
What are you doing?
Phil, what are you hiding?
Trying to stay over it.
Yeah.
So far, you see that one?
Oh, yeah. Oh,
That's a good one.
please share. Share,
gotta-
share, share.
I'm gonna.
We're bringing it home tomorrow. Yay! Bye. Jack Hasters. Is that Nathan?
They are here.
We're ready to fight Jack.
Aya. Aya.
I got it short.
Aya. I was like, that was what John did to us.
Did you play tonight?
Aya.
Hello.
Hello. I think that's everybody. Okay, all the players.
All the players. Mateo. He's there. Oh.
Yeah, okay. Alberto, Nachos got hot drink. The first drink on you, right? Okay, you're buying my drink. I'm only doing strawberry daiquiri. I'm a virgin. So, that's what I'm going for. Your dad's paying for the drink for everybody. Aya. gonna post it on my YouTube page. In the video, he was being naughty. He was being naughty. Your husband. Yeah.
White judge, you should sit relaxed.
Are you ready now? Okay. I need to see your reaction. So, do you have strawberry daiquiri? But I'm a virgin.
A virgin? Yeah.
Okay, I'm a virgin.
Oh.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm a virgin.
Like a virgin one?
Yes, I'm a virgin.
Okay.
So
you want a virgin one or?
I'm a virgin.
Or an alcoholic one?
I'm a virgin.
Yeah?
She's playing with you. Why yes?
A virgin, yeah. So you still didn't get that? You still didn't get it?
6 o'clock tomorrow morning. Oh,
Yeah. Yes, please. No alcohol.
What's your jersey number?
7.
7.
Yeah.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you. Bless. And you want me to drink?
She's too much soul. I can imagine the
I
drink.
said that, and they made that in the nicest way. I can imagine she's got a couple of drinks in her. Good for you.
Thank you so much.
Bring sunshine and energy.
Oh, thank you so much. I love you.
The world needs
I love you. Yeah.
more people like that.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
What's your problem? Wow.
Look, I'm new here. I gotta make
Oh my God. You've got to judge here and make sure he doesn't sentence you. Oh, you know, okay. I've got 2 Nathans sitting beside each other. Hi, Nathan. See? They both looked at me. They both looked at me. Hi, Nathan. They both looked at me.
Your boss can take in the chamber and say,
I'll pass it to you.
what kind of behavior is that you carry on?
I'll pass it to you.
Nah, it's not gonna be good night.
I'll pass it to you. Come on, do a movement. Do a movement. Come on. Okay. Mom, I'll pass it to you. Your turn. Your turn. Your turn. Your turn. Don't stop it. Woo. Okay. Ooh. We pass it to this table. Come on. Come on. Don't stop it. Dance. 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 Thank you. Woo. Let's do it. There. Do it.
I'm not dancing.
I thought you said you're not dancing and you did it. To you guys, okay. Thank you. Don't stop. Alberto. Thank you. Hola. Let me pass it to you. Come on. Do it, giggly. Do it, giggly. Dance, dance. No. We pass it to you. Thank you. Pass to you, pass to you. Thank you. Okay, pass to you. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Pass to you. Okay, Kali. I pass to you. Whilst we are waiting for our food. Food is here, almost.
All the kids in the
First one to get his food.
think so, but all the kids are grabbing it. They're all happy, yeah.
Oh yeah, my pizza is spicy. And Jonathan. Don't forget $500. I'm selling that to you. $500.
You can have it back.
No, $500. I got you. So that's my proof of evidence. And I've got a judge here. I've got a judge here.
Judge?
Exactly, yeah. So $500 she's giving me. Yes. Yeah. I don't want that. So sorry, what's your name?
My name's Megan.
Okay, so yeah, $500. I'm looking at the time. Yeah. I'm waiting.
I like the Union Jack.
Oh yeah, lovely. Thank you. My God.
Oh my god.
Ooh, what about?
It's in the middle of nowhere.
We're from Birmingham. Yes. So how long have you been here? Oh, so you've lost your accent. Yeah, you've lost it. You've lost it. I've got my sister here from England. Yeah. And up Chelsea. Are you a Chelsea fan?
I am.
You are a Chelsea fan,
I am a
right?
Chelsea. I like Chelsea.
Yeah, here, darling. Yeah, thank you, my love. Woo! All right, love. Yeah. See you. Nice to talk with you too. Woo! Grimsby. She said, yeah. I'm not sure, but I've heard of Grimsby. I'm probably thinking it's close to the London area. I'm not sure. small ones. Take the big ones. Yeah. Want one, Jonathan?
I already had some.
Okay. Does anybody want some? Don't be shy. Oh. You know, you'd buy Jackasters in Kingston. Bye. Ooh. There, time to go now.
Make me a photo here with my son.
Okay.